Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Finance Hub. In our last episode, we learned about the origin of the stock market and what a stock really is. Today, we're taking the next big step. Let's see how stock trading actually works, from buying to selling. The key points to be covered from today's episode: 1. The role of brokers. 2. How a trade happens. Third order types. 4. The role of Demat and trading account. 5. Short-term versus long-term trading. 6. Market participants. The role of brokers. You can't just walk into a stock exchange and buy shares directly. Investors need brokers, platforms or companies that connect them to the market. Today, online trading apps have made investing as simple as tapping a button. How a trade happens. When you place a buy order, your broker sends it to the stock exchange. There, your order is matched with someone who wants to sell. Once the trade is complete, the shares move into your account and the money goes to the seller. Order types. There are different ways to buy and sell stocks. A market order buys immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set the price you're willing to pay or sell at. The role of Demat and trading accounts. In modern markets, shares aren't stored as paper certificates anymore. They're held digitally in a Demat account, while your trading account is the gateway that allows you to buy and sell. Short-term versus long-term trading. Some people trade stocks daily to profit from short-term price moves, while others invest for years to benefit from long-term company growth. Both strategies exist, but each comes with its own risk and reward. Market participants. You're not alone in the market. Alongside small investors are big players like mutual funds, hedge funds, and foreign investors, all influencing prices with their trades. Closing message. In simple terms, trading is the heartbeat of the stock market, where buyers and sellers meet, prices are decided, and opportunities are created. Understanding how trades work is the first step toward becoming a smarter investor. That's it for today's episode of Finance Hub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next part of our stock market series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.